So today, I'm really blessed to be with Barbara. We completed a bathroom project for her. I guess, was it in December?
Actually, in January.
In January. See, time has gone by so crazy, I've forgotten exactly when it was. And she's just graciously agreed to do Ask Annie with me for this week. So, Barbara, let me ask you this. How did you even discover Gill Construction Solutions?
Well, actually, I have seen his truck in the neighborhood over a period of time, and I had always wanted to have a conversation with him about the possibility of doing some other projects, because I love my house, but I keep thinking, oh, I could do this, I could do that. And so I didn't know when I looked and it said Construction Solutions, I'm like, well, I have this major thing going on since the storm that needs to be fixed. And if he can't do it, maybe he knows somebody who can. And that was how it all started.
Cool. I appreciate you sharing that with us.